Pacific Magazines is owned by Seven West Media, and we publish some really big brands in Australia with large brand equity, and that's why for us the digital experience needs to be on par with what that brand means and the values of the brand. We had a business critical need to migrate to new cloud technology as quickly as possible, and we could not have done that without Kablamo and the help of AWS.
Kablamo are a cloud application development company. What we did with PacMags was we essentially came in and did a workshop with them to really understand the problem that they were having. We then kind of pitched how we think they should move forward, and the migration through to AWS would help them minimize their risks that they were currently experiencing, as well as improve the performance of their platform. AWS supplies really good services around personalization, so setting you up for a future where you can innovate quickly and build out positive solutions for your target audience.
They help educate our engineers through that process. So the likes of Who, which is a big magazine here in Australia, they helped us migrate that across, and a couple of others. By then, my team had the skill set to then continue to roll out a further 10 sites through that process. Through using AWS, what we actually saw for page speed is that it increased by 21%. And not only did this give us benefit from a user engagement aspect, because they got the content more quickly, and obviously on mobile that's super important, but in addition to that, it helped our search ranking because it increased our kind of SEO authority, because page speed is an indicator to search engines. We saw an 8% increase in click-throughs in terms of additional content consumed, but also because the page was loading within a reasonable time, we also saw a significant drop, a 5% drop in page abandonment.
The cultural shift from when we started to when we left around the knowledge sharing and around the ability to just know and trust the platform was fantastic.
AWS really helped us through the journey of migrating, and Kablamo were able to step in to effectively augment our engineers and to help the smooth transition. This has future-proofed us for our digital future and our digital journey, and which is critical for our business revenue moving forward.